adding footer in our headless WordPress web app. So in the previous video we added header, so this is the continue video from the header. So if you are new to this video, I would suggest to start watching this playlist from the beginning so that you know what we are doing in this video. Otherwise keep watching this video. So let's start adding footer. So the process will be the same as adding header. So it would be great if you follow first the header video and then the footer video. So first of all, let's start the server. So I'm gonna add npm run dev. And server has been started. Let's confirm. As you can see, so we added a couple of pages. One is blog listing and single blog page. So let's wait for the page. So this is the one, and here is the header we added yesterday. So yeah, this is the title coming from the WordPress backend, and the API we used is this WP-JSON fields name. So in the name we are getting site name, which is displaying over here, and added couple of links. So now let's add footers. First of all, what we need to do is HTML to JSX. I'm using this traditional way. There may be a better way to convert this, but I'm also in the learning phase, so I use this method. So just okay, let's copy and add it over here, and let me get rid of some unnecessary parts. Okay, now let's add the footer into the layout section, because this is our common layout file where header and footer will be displaying in all the pages, and I will pass the same site data into the footer as well. And let's import footer from footer, and let's see how it looks. So if we go over here, and as you can see, we have this. I don't know how this GitHub is coming, but okay, let's go to this page, single page, so that we have a better view. So yes, we have this footer now. I think this GitHub is coming from footer itself. So let's see. Yeah, it is coming from here. So let's get rid of this. Also, let's get rid of this logo. We don't want the logo. So I'm gonna remove the logo. And here we will pass the site name, same as passing here. So site name we are passing using this site data, which we can get in the props. So in the props we are passing data using this variable site data. So props.site data. Then the API we are using is this. So we get this inside data and then name. So same we did in the header. So yeah, if you don't know what I am doing here, I would suggest to watch the header video first, because I explain everything in detail over there. So now we are using the site name over here coming from the layout.js. So now if I go, then we can see this site name over here, which is dynamic. I will also get rid of this username here, or maybe I can add my own. So let me and let's see. Okay, so yeah, I added my link over here, and if you want to use link component of the Next.js, you can use that as well. That would be the actual solution, but as of now I'm keeping this like this only. What else? So still we have tail blocks here, and we can add our site name again if we want, otherwise you can get rid of this. So yeah, then 2020 is the year. Let's see if we get a year in this API or not, otherwise we will get rid of this. Or maybe you can create your own custom API and then use that over there. So we don't have any current year in this API, so I'm gonna get rid of this. So let's remove this whole part, and here I will keep this as it is. But yeah, before that, I don't want to use anchor tag. Instead we can use the link component. Import link from next link, and then we can convert anchor tag into link tag, or sorry, component. So this is the correct way to add the link. Also we can add the link over here as well, which will redirect us to the home page. So let's add the link component to the site name. Okay, we already have anchor tag, but let me add a link. And href equal to slash. So now we have the home page link on this page, on this link. And also we can add the same thing in the header as well. So let's add the same thing in the header. So here we have the link, and href equal to slash, and that's it. So this is how you can add header and footer for the Headless WordPress app. In the next video we will be setting the home page, which is currently looks different than what we are doing with our web app. So we will try to match the home page using this. And this is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.